Welcome to my channel, Glorious English. Today I will help you with something many people hide: English shyness. Maybe your hands shake when you speak English. Maybe your mind becomes blank. Maybe you want to speak, but fear stops you. You are not wrong. You are not weak. You just need the right method. So today, you will start a 7-day challenge that will slowly break your fear, build confidence, and make English feel natural. Every day has one small task. Just follow it. Just try. Just speak. By the end of these 7 days, you will feel a new power in your voice. Let's begin. Day 1. Speak one small sentence. Today's task is very simple. You only need to speak one English sentence. Not long, not perfect, just one. Say something easy. I am learning English. I can speak. I am brave. Say it slowly. Then say it again with a little more confidence. This is not about grammar. This is about courage. Today you open the door to your English voice. Day 2, talk to the mirror. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. This helps your brain feel safe. Now say 2 to 3 sentences. My name is blank. I am practicing English. I am not shy. When you watch your own face speaking English, your confidence grows. You start trusting yourself. This simple exercise changes everything. Day 3, use English in daily life. Today, use English with objects around you. Look at your phone, say phone. Look at your door, say open. Close. Drink water, say water. Your mind will start to connect English with real life, and this connection removes fear. Use English in tiny moments. It becomes natural. Day 4. Speak to one safe person. Choose someone close, a friend, a sibling, or anyone who won't judge you. Say, I am practicing English. Can I say something to you? Then speak 2 simple sentences about your day. Even if you make mistakes, smile. Mistakes mean progress. No one becomes confident by staying silent. Today, your voice touches another person. This is powerful. Day 5. Record your voice. Take your phone. Record yourself saying, hello, I am learning English. I am trying my best. I want to improve. Listen to your voice. Do not judge it. Just accept it. This is your real sound. This is your English identity. Tomorrow, record again. You will hear improvement. Confidence grows when you see your own progress. Day 6. Speak for 30 seconds. Set a timer for 30 seconds. Talk continuously. Today I did. My favorite food is, my room looks like. I like this because. If you stop, just breathe and continue. Don't worry about mistakes. This teaches your brain to keep going. Fluency comes from movement, not from perfection. This day makes you stronger than you think. Day 7. Speak to a stranger. Your final challenge. Talk to a shopkeeper, waiter, or taxi driver. Use very simple English. How much? 1. Please. Thank you. This moment will break the last wall of fear. Speaking to a stranger is scary, but once you do it, your brain says, I can speak English in the real world. This step changes everything. Mindset shift. Remember these truths. No one laughs at your English. People respect you for trying. Your accent is beautiful. It shows your identity. Mistakes mean you are growing. Small steps build big confidence. English is not a test. It is just a tool, and you can use it. Final motivation. If you completed all 7 days, you are already different. Your voice is stronger. Your heart is braver. Your fear is smaller. You proved you can speak English. You proved you can change your life. Repeat this 7-day challenge every week or every month. You will become more confident than you ever imagined. Thank you for learning with Glorious English. I am proud of you. Your journey begins now. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more powerful English lessons. Comment, "I'm ready for the challenge" if you are starting today. Share this video with a friend who is shy in English. You might change their life. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss new English learning videos. Your support helps me continue creating simple, emotional, and helpful English lessons for you.